Hey everyone! Planning a Disney World vacation but worried about the cost? What if your everyday spending could earn you enough points to cover flights, hotels, and even park tickets? A Disney vacation doesn't have to drain your savings account. With the right credit card strategy, you can accumulate enough points to cover flights, hotels, and even park tickets, turning your everyday spending into Disney magic. The key isn't signing up for every credit card offer you see. It's understanding which cards offer the biggest bonuses, how to meet spending requirements responsibly, and when to involve your partner or family member to double your earning potential. Our family has used these exact strategies to earn hundreds of thousands of points for multiple Disney trips. This isn't about elite status or first-class flights. This is about maximizing welcome bonuses, optimizing everyday spending, and using strategic timing to build a substantial points balance that can fund your Disney dreams. Whether you're planning your first Disney trip or your fifth, understanding how to accumulate credit card points efficiently can transform how you approach vacation funding. Let's turn your regular expenses into extraordinary Disney experiences. In this video, I'm breaking down 9 strategies we use to earn credit card points for Disney World. These are the same methods we've used for our own trips. Let's jump in. Strategy 1. Maximize welcome bonuses. Sign-up bonuses are one of the fastest ways to rack up credit card points. When opening a new rewards credit card, ensure that you're able to meet the minimum spending requirements needed to unlock the welcome offer. How do you maximize these bonuses? First, charge everyday purchases. Use your new card for routine expenses like groceries, gas, and dining to help reach the spending threshold. Second, apply large expenses. For any upcoming large purchase, such as home repairs or travel, put them on your new card to quickly meet the required spend. Third, utilize bonus categories. If an existing reward card offers extra points in certain categories, prioritize using that card for those purchases. However, if you're working to meet the minimum spend on a new card, shift those purchases accordingly. Each credit card issuer has different requirements for earning sign-up bonuses, so be sure to read the terms and conditions carefully. Strategy 2. The Partner 2 strategy. This is one of my favorite strategies. You are typically eligible for sign-up bonuses only one time for each credit card, but by involving a person 2 or a partner, you can effectively double the value by having them apply for the same card and earning their own sign-up bonus. Many programs will allow you to pool your points together after they show in your account. How do you maximize this? First, refer each other. Many credit card issuers offer referral bonuses. You can refer your partner and earn extra points while they get the sign-up bonus. To manage the minimum spending requirements across multiple cards, stagger when each person applies. This way, you can meet the spending thresholds comfortably without overstretching your budget. So for each card, you earn a sign-up bonus, then your partner earns a sign-up bonus when applying for the same card, doubling your points. The key to this strategy is not to add your partner as an authorized user on your account. Strategy 3. Never add authorized users. While many credit card issuers allow you to add an authorized user to your account, doing so can prevent them from earning their welcome offers when they later apply for the same travel rewards card. Instead, have your partner apply for their own card so they can earn their own welcome bonus. This is crucial for maximizing the Partner 2 strategy. Strategy 4. Pool your points. Some credit card programs allow you to combine points between accounts, provided the account holders are linked, typically through marriage or a shared household. Pooling points between 2 people allows for more flexibility when redeeming for travel. Strategy 5. Optimize bonus categories. Many credit cards offer bonus points for specific spending categories like dining, groceries, or travel. By utilizing 2 cards, you can strategically maximize rewards in different categories more effectively. Assign each card to different categories based on the best rewards. For example, if one card offers 3 times points on travel and another provides 4 times points on dining, ensure you're using the appropriate card for each type of purchase to earn the maximum rewards. We use the American Express Gold Card for groceries because it earns 4 times points at U.S. supermarkets. By optimizing our spending, we're constantly earning points toward our next Disney vacation. Strategy 6. Stack credit card perks. Many travel credit cards come with annual travel credits, lounge access, hotel elite status, and other perks. With 2 people, you can essentially double the benefits. If your card offers travel credits, such as airline incidental credits or hotel credits, coordinate your spending. For example, you could book flights under one card to utilize travel credits, while the other person books hotels to use their card's hotel benefits. Transfer hotel points based on status. Many co-branded credit cards offer elite hotel statuses. To maximize the benefits, transfer hotel points to the person with the higher hotel or airline status. This ensures you'll receive the best perks, such as room upgrades or priority boarding when redeeming points. Strategy 7. Alternate who applies for cards. If person 1 has been the primary cardholder for a while, it might make sense to let person 2 take a turn. This allows you both to establish strong credit scores and ensures that both individuals benefit from rewards accumulation. Maintain separate accounts. By alternating who holds the card, you can take turns earning valuable sign-up bonuses while also maintaining healthy credit scores. Strategy 8. Start with entry-level cards. When applying for a credit card within a particular group, such as hotel or airline cards, it's best to start with the entry-level card. Many issuers won't allow you to earn the welcome bonus on a lower-tier card if you've already received a bonus for a higher-tier card in the same series. However, starting with the entry-level card allows you to gradually upgrade to the higher-tier cards while still qualifying for the welcome bonuses. For example, with American Express Hilton cards, you have the Hilton Honors card, Hilton Honors Surpass card, and the Hilton Honors Aspire card. If you apply for the Aspire card first, you may not be eligible for the bonus on the Surpass card later. Starting with the lowest tier card avoids this issue and maximizes your bonus potential. Strategy 9. Buy Disney gift cards for bonus points. Many credit cards offer bonus points for specific spending categories, such as groceries, dining, gas, or travel. By strategically purchasing gift cards at stores in these categories, you can get the most value on travel cards. For instance, if your card offers bonus points for grocery purchases, buy gift cards at the grocery store for Amazon, Target, or other places where you shop. When you use these gift cards to shop later, you've earned bonus points without having to buy additional groceries with your card. Here's the Disney-specific strategy. Buy Disney gift cards at a store in a bonus category. This is a great way to earn extra credit card reward points for your Disney vacation spending. It is also a good way to save up for your trip. Disney gift cards can be used on property at restaurants and retailers. If you buy $50 in Disney gift cards every week at the grocery store, you'll save up gradually and earn 4 times points on every purchase with the right card. Bonus strategy: stack cashback apps. Get cashback on Disney purchases and travel bookings with tested apps, and see how we combine them with points to save on tickets, dining, and extras. Don't forget to earn cash back on your everyday spending through Rakuten to help fund your Disney vacation. You can convert Rakuten cash back to American Express membership rewards points, which are transferable to Marriott Bonvoy points. So, using Rakuten for your everyday spending can help you earn enough points for your stay even quicker. Right now, Rakuten is offering a $30 sign-up bonus. I'll drop the link in the description. We also recommend TopCashback as another excellent cashback option for maximizing your travel rewards earnings. TopCashback often offers 5% back or more on Disney gift cards. Let's do a quick recap. Strategy 1. Earn welcome bonuses on new cards by meeting minimum spending requirements. Strategy 2. Use the partner. 2 strategy to double your points by having both partners apply for cards separately. Strategy 3. Never add authorized users so your partner can earn their own welcome bonuses. Strategy 4. Pool points between partners for maximum flexibility. Strategy 5. Optimize bonus categories by using the right card for each purchase. Strategy 6. Stack credit card perks like travel credits, lounge access, and elite status. Strategy 7. Alternate who applies for cards to maintain healthy credit scores. Strategy 8. Start with entry-level cards and work your way up to collect all bonuses. Strategy 9. Buy Disney gift cards at grocery stores for bonus points. And don't forget to stack cashback apps like Rakuten and TopCashback with your credit card points for maximum savings. These strategies have helped us book multiple Disney trips for a fraction of the cost. We've used them to book Disney vacations for just $1,400, and we've saved thousands more on other trips. If you want all the details, including which specific cards we recommend, and step-by-step instructions for each strategy, check out the full post linked in the description below. And if you're ready to start using the points you've earned, we have complete guides on redeeming Chase Ultimate Rewards for Disney, using American Express points for Disney, and booking Disney hotels with Marriott and Hilton points. All those videos are linked in the description. Make sure to grab our free Disney hotel database so you can see exactly which hotels near Disney you can book entirely with points. It's completely free and saves you hours of research. And check out our Disney Cashback Toolkit to learn how to stack cashback apps with your credit card points for even more savings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We're posting new Disney Points strategies every week to help you plan the most magical and affordable Disney vacation possible. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy planning!